Welcome to North Star Transport Equipment, providers of quality trailers, tippers, tanks and engineering services throughout Australia. In this short video, we'll see why their trailers are perfect for you.
G'day, I'm Rod, the Director of North Star Transport Equipment. North Star Transport Equipment's trailer range includes single bogie triaxle tag trailers. We manufacture 2, 3, 4 axle dog trailers in various configurations, as well as drop decks built to the customer's specific needs.
When we're putting the chopper onto a standard drop deck, we were only having about a third of the tyres on the actual deck. The rest was overhang, so we wanted a widening trailer so we can put the whole tyres on. The trailer widens out to 3.5 metres, which takes in more than enough to take the chopper. We even put our cat header on it. He wanted a good job, and he definitely did that. He did exactly what we needed, and he's very helpful with every aspect of doing it. The machine showed up, it was exactly what we wanted.
When it comes to the safety chains, we don't muck around using bolts and plates. We use specified safety chain anchors that are all ADR compliant. All of our drawbars are plated underneath with a heavy plate to eliminate any cracking. As an optional extra, we can also put in a hydraulic park jack that's operated from the hydraulic power pack at the rear, which also does the ramps, just by simple flick of a switch. Standard fittings on a North Star tag trailer include a polished aluminium water bottle, quality powder coated toolbox, and rope rails on every trailer. Also included in North Star tag trailers are these load restraint points placed evenly along the length of the deck. This eliminates the need for chains to be placed over the side of the coaming rail where it bites in and also can cut into the chain as well. If required, we can also put in a hammer well to carry a rock breaker. It's always the little things that are different, and with North Star and tag trailers it's no different. Some of the little different things we do, we put a double brace on our mud guards, a stiffener in there. They're there for the long haul. They're not going to vibrate off in 12 months time. Another thing we do as standard is put our chassis stiffeners in at the front and rear of the suspension group. Wherever the pedestal's weld on, there'll be a chassis stiffener in there, so that we're not going to have any issues with cracking as well. Included as a standard fitment to a North Star tag trailer is hydraulic ramps, just simple up and down, via a hydraulic power pack in underneath that has a battery, a 6mm charge wire to the truck that keeps the battery charged all the time. So no back braking effort required for lifting spring ramps. All of our trailers have LED lights. They have a full soldered connection with a waterproof covering. You won't find any crimp connections on our trailers. All the pins and bushes are greasable. We also invert the rams to eliminate any dust and moisture entering the cylinder. 750 wide ramps are fitted as standard. We can also do them in 900, 1200. We can vary the length, including bifold ramps as well. So whatever the customer needs, we can accommodate, no problem at all. We'd normally put a toolbox in here. At the moment, this one's got a bucket well. We have a battery and a power pack mounted underneath the back. Container pins can also be fitted if required. Also included as standard on our trailers is a spare wheel, accessed via a winch assembly, dropped straight onto the ground. Because most of our trailers run low profile tyres, we like to run bud wheels. This ensures the tyres run true and correct all the time, and we don't get any premature tyre wear. Also, we fit valve extensions. This allows the operator to pump up the inside tyre relatively easy. Pretty well any individual requirements that the customer might have, we can build to your specific requirements.
The construction of your new trailer is straightforward. First, your requirements are discussed, then plans are drawn up for your approval. In the workshop, the chassis is constructed and the deck attached. It's then time for you to check that you're happy with the structure, and if there are any alterations needed, now is the time to let the team know. Once satisfied, the trailer is then sandblasted and painted, and is ready for the final fixtures to be added before being delivered right to where you need it.
Because most of our trailers are sold to earth moving contracts, we're asked on many occasions to build tipper bodies as well, like this one we see in the background. It's a steel Hardox tipper, very hard wearing, long lasting. Because it's so hard, we can reduce the wall thickness of the plate and thus having a lighter tear weight.
You're paying for quality, like the old saying, if you just spend a little bit more or you buy the right thing straight away, then you have no problems later. We've had one of them for nearly 2 years now. Haven't had to do a thing to it, it's just kept on going. It's been really good and real quality, so you get what you pay for with Rod and a good trailer.
North Star first opened its doors as an engineering company in northern Victoria. But after seeing the need for high-quality trailers to be produced with good customer service and generous extra inclusions, Rod knew that it was time to start producing transport equipment for customers throughout Australia. Today, North Star produces a broad range of trailers and has a reputation for quality.
Distance isn't a problem for North Star. We've got clients all over Australia, from Queensland through to Western Australia and Tasmania.
We definitely recommend anybody that needs a trailer to go and talk to Rod. He's very open about any ideas, and he does a very good job.
I think a lot of people like dealing with a smaller company rather than a big multinational. They get the more one-on-one contact. The person you're talking to on the phone is the owner of the business, and I'm out on the floor as well, so we follow the trailer through.
We've found from the first one, while it's still a great trailer, the second one's even better. So we look forward to buying another one.
If you need a quality built trailer, I'd be keen to sit down and talk over requirements and see what we can do for one another.
For a trailer we know you'll be proud of, contact us at North Star today.